welcome back to Food Prep Guide and welcome back to the Pantry Challenge. Tonight's meal is a dump and go type meal. It is very quick. It cooks in 30 minutes and uses only 5 ingredients. I did do a little bit of prep work for this meal, so let's talk about that real quick. This afternoon, I took a pint of dehydrated shredded potatoes and placed them in a bowl of warm water, and they've been rehydrating. They're now very well rehydrated. We need a can of cream of mushroom soup and a can of cream of broccoli soup. Now, we make our own cream of soups using a master mix, and we have an entire video that walks you through step by step how to make all of your cream of soups with one master mix. So be sure to watch that to learn how I did the cream of mushroom and cream of broccoli. And that's it. Okay, so I have my 1 pint of rehydrated shredded potatoes here. Here is my homemade cream of mushroom and cream of broccoli soup. I did want my soup to be more of like a cream of broccoli and cheese, so I did add a little bit of cheese to this. I'm going to add this to my bowl of potatoes. And to this, we're just going to add a pint of this is canned venison, canned ground venison. You can use ground beef. You could even do like ground pork, or even shredded chicken would work. I am going to drain off some of the juice real quick. Last but not least, because of the nature of this recipe that there's not a whole lot of vegetables in it, since we do make our own cream of soups, there are actually big nice chunks of mushrooms and broccoli in it. But since it is not a very nutrient dense recipe, we are going to add our leafy green mix. Just a little bit, maybe about a tablespoon or so. Mix that around really good. I forgot to mention, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Then we just pour this into our casserole dish. Next, we'll just top it with some cheese. And this is going to go into the oven for 30 minutes. Other than that, I just have some lima beans on the stove. That's just because I recently canned lima beans for the first time and using just some different kind of seasonings. So I want to test out a small batch before I figure out, do we want to can a lot more of it? So we have some bread left over that we baked the other day. So we're going to have a nice thick slice of that toasted with this casserole dish and some lima beans. So I'll show you when it's all plated up. Okay, all done. It's been 30 minutes, and here is what that beefy casserole looks like. And we have a slice of the bread that we baked the other day and some fresh canned lima beans. Hope y'all enjoy. Bye.